Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to resize canvas on Photopea website. So all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other tutorial browser could be possibly working for you. So when you go and open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type photopea.com and then you would like to hit the enter button. So that will certainly take you into this page, and from here you will have four options to start using this website. You'll have the new projects option, and you have an option to open something from your computer if you want. You have an option if you want to choose some of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working on it. For me, I'm just going to click here at new projects and choose some of their templates right here. So let me just choose this is as an example. We'll just need to wait a bit until it loads, and as you can see, here is it right here. So from here, as you can see here on the right, we have the component of this template right here. We have all the components of it, of course we can start editing on this template if we would like to. So of course, if you want to change the canvas, all you need to do first of all is just go and select the background, or you can even select the whole image. So of course, as you can see, when I select now the background, all I need to do, just go to the image right here, and from here I would like to go here and click at the canvas size. So as you can see here, canvas size, they would like me to enter whatever size I would like to have here. So for me, I'm just going to do this 1920, and then here I would like to adjust it to 1080, then click at OK. So as you can see, now the canvas size have been changed, and of course you will be able to start editing your background and your components here according to your canvas. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.